Hello everyone, you're welcome once more to MEP. If you came new to the channel, you're highly welcome. Do well to hit the subscribe button and share this channel, the link of the channel to somebody out there. Alright, so let's look at today's question. It says that given that P is 1 plus root 2 and Q is 1 minus root 2, we should evaluate what this expression. So how do we go about that? Okay. Now the first thing I'm recognizing is what? I have p squared minus q squared. That means difference of 2 squared. Okay, p minus what? P squared minus q squared. It's a difference, and p is squared and q is squared. So what p squared minus q squared means is what? We have difference of what? 2 squared. And that means we can simply write it as p plus q, okay, multiplied by what? P minus what? Q. Okay, so in place of all this, we can write p plus q multiplied by what? P minus q. So all this we are dividing by what? 2 multiply p multiplied by q. All right, so let's see what we can do. So what is p? Our p is 1 plus root 2, so we have 1 plus root 2. Okay, that is our what? P. So we have plus, our q is 1 minus root 2, so we have 1 minus root 2. Okay, so all these multiply by p, which is still this, 1 plus root 2. Now minus, okay, our q, which is still this, 1 minus what? Root 2. Okay, so all these divide by what? 2, okay, multiply. We have p, which is 1 plus root 2, okay, into, we have q, which is what? 1 minus what? Root 2. So we have been able to substitute the values of p and q into this what? Expression. So now let's simplify further to see what that gives us. All right. So now inside these, we are going to open the brackets. Okay, so we have, this is going to be what? 1 plus root 2. Okay, this is plus 1. Multiply all this is to all this. So we have plus 1 minus root 2. Okay, so all this multiply. We have 1 plus root 2. Now this is minus 1 times this. It's going to give us minus 1. Now minus 1 times, okay, minus root 2. Minus times minus is plus. So we have that as plus root 2. Okay, so all these is going to divide. Now we are going to what? Open brackets here. So 1 will times this. So we have what? This multiply 1 multiply 1 minus root 2. And plus root 2 is going to times all this. So we have plus root 2 is going to times 1 minus what? Root 2. So we are going to quickly collect our like terms. So these and these are alike. Okay, these and these are alike. And these and these are alike, and these and these are alike. Okay, so let's regroup them. So we are going to have, so this is 1 plus 1, so 1 plus 1. So plus we have root 2 minus what? Root 2 in brackets. Now for this bracket, we have 1 minus 1, so 1 minus 1. So we have plus root 2 plus what? Root 2. Okay, so all divided by, we are going to open this. So we have 2. Okay, let's simply what? Open all this. So 1 will multiply this. So that will give us 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times minus root 2 is minus what? Root 2. Okay, plus root 2 times 1 is the plus root 2. And plus root 2 times minus root 2 plus times minus is what? Minus. Root 2 times root 2 is going to give us root 2 times what? 2. Okay, remember your rule. If we have say root a times root a, it means square root of a times what? A. That's the principle of what? Sort. All right, so we are going to have 1 plus 1 is 2, plus root 2 minus root 2 is what? 0. Okay. What about this 1 minus 1 is 0, plus root 2 plus root 2 is going to give us plus 2 root 2. Okay. So we have all these divided by what? We have 2, okay, into what? We have 1 minus root 2 plus root 2 is going to give us what? 0. Okay. So this is going to give us minus square root of what? 2 times 2 is what? 4. Okay. Now that we have this expression, we can now further simplify it. So let's simplify it further. We are going to have 2 plus 0 is what? 2. So we have 2. Okay, and 0 plus 2 root 2 is going to give us 2 root 2. Okay, all is going to divide. We have 2 out there into 1 plus 0 is 1 minus what? Square root of 4 is what? 2. So this is going to give us what? Okay, this can cancel. This is 1, 1. So we are left with 2 root 2 divided by what? 1 minus what? 2. So that is finally going to give us what? We have 1 minus 2, which is going to give us what? It's going to give us minus 1. Okay? And the final answer to this problem, we have this as plus. So plus divide minus is minus. This divide this is what? 2 root what? 2. So this gives us the simple solution to this problem. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button. Do it to share this video to someone, and I'll see you guys in my next one. You take care. Bye.